agcwele i-laughter, agcwele i-understanding, ane-peace. Bewazi ukuthi kunama-couples asathandaza wodwa kuze kube yimanje. Bowuyazi leyo nto? You know why? Because they choose to do the right things. And bayakhula komunye nomunye, bayakhula kwi-marriage yabo, bayakhula ezintweni ababambisene kuzona. Let me tell you something. It is possible. You can also do the right thing. And ubambisane nespouse sakho, nikhule ndawonye, ninqobe wonke ama-challenges enibhekana nawo njengama-couples. Ni-raise i-generations efunwa uNkulunkulu. Nikhulise i-generation ezoba ngumfanekiso wenu. It is possible. It is possible. Let me tell you something. You can do all things through Christ, which strengthens you. You can do all things, like really yes, all things. The Bible says actually, according to his divine power, he has freely given you all things that pertain unto life and godliness. Yes, it's possible. Ne-marriage yenu ingaba right and ningaba right. Ningaba right. Khohlwa lento yokuthi lokhu uqalaza kwenye indawo. Nangu umuntu wakho, nguye, akekho umuntu.